Bostitch inPower spring-powered desktop stapler, easy stapling technology, red. 80% easier stapling with one finger in trade, technology by. Use one finger to staple up to 20 sheets. Built-in staple remover plus staple storage compartment, stores. Bostitch Impulse 45 sheet electric stapler value pack double heavy duty. No jam with trusted warranty guaranteed by Bostitch, black, V8E value. 3x faster stapling speed. Bostitch Impulse Drive technology allows users to immediately remove stacks on paper after the stapler pierces the sheets. No need to wait for the machine to retract like with other electric staplers. Electric stapler, automatic stapler for desk, electric stapler desktop, AC or battery-powered stapler heavy duty, with reload reminder and release button, 25 sheets capacity, green. Unlike other office stapler that only takes half to one strip of staples, which is a pain in the neck since you spend more time refilling and being interrupted over and over, a matte desk stapler. Cordless brad nailer, NEU Master NTC 0023 rechargeable nail gun / staple gun for upholstery, carpentry and woodworking projects, including 20V max. 2.0 Li-ion battery in charge. Kohree staple gun, 3-in-1 stapler heavy duty with 3000 PCS staples and staple remover, manual steel stapler gun for wood, upholstery, carpentry, decoration, Father Day gifts.